RAIS has developed Clever Air. Clever Air means automatic air regulation. Clever Air makes heating with firewood easy, convenient and economical. First, put in 2 large pieces of firewood and then the smaller pieces on top, approximately 2 kilos. Light the fire. Leave the door slightly ajar. After approximately 5 minutes, close the door and the stove handles the rest. Plenty of air is drawn into the combustion chamber and air is channeled downwards across the window. When the temperature rises, Clever Air gradually closes the throttle. It regulates the airflow precisely so that you get clean and economical combustion. When the temperature drops, Clever Air gradually opens the throttle. After half an hour, you put more wood on the embers. Clever Air, therefore, constantly provides a perfect air supply and clean windows. The result? Convenient heating, clean windows, economical combustion. See more at rais.dk.